Hello friends, are you confused about what is ppm or ppb? Want to know about ppm or ppb, or you want to make standards in ppm or ppb? So solution is here. Now we are coming on definitions. What is ppm? Parts per million means 10 lakh. 1 by 10 raised to the power 6 means 1 part in 10 lakh. Now here is ppb, parts per billion, 1 by 10 raised to the power 9. So ppm is used to define or calculate the small amount of analyte of interest. What is analyte? Whose concentration we want to calculate in a solution or anything. Like example, we want to calculate the antibiotic concentration in honey. So in ppm or ppb. So according to definitions, we are taking two terms. First is weight and second one is liquid, or we can say mass or solid dissolved in liquid. So we have in 1 kg 1000 grams. In 1 gram we have 1000 mg. In 1 mg we have 1000 microgram. What in liquids we have in 1 liter 1000 ml, in 1 ml 1000 microliter. Okay, now next is, now then 1 ppm is according to kg 1 by 10 to the power 6. So 1 by kg, तो kg में जो टर्म फर्स्ट है इसकी पावर 6 कौन सी होगी? mg. Don't confuse, I will elaborate it. So here is 1 kg is equal to 10 raised to the power 3 gram is equal to 10 raised to the power 6 mg. I am already written in last page. So we are going to calculate the concentration of antibiotic, for example, in mg per kg honey. So according to definition, 1 ppm is equal to 1 mg per kg. Understand? So 1 ppm is equal to 1 mg पर, हम kg को क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ से 10 to the power 6 mg. So like ppb, 1 kg is equal to 10 to the power 3 gram is equal to 10 to the power 6 mg or is equal to 10 to the power 9 microgram. So in billion, 1 ppb is equal to 1 microgram per kg, or we can say 1 ppb is equal to 1 microgram divided by 10 to the power 9 microgram. Now next, please write a note about what I am said previous. This one and this one, don't be confused. Okay, please make notes. Okay, now next is, now generally we are going to dissolve solid in liquid. ठीक है, ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ mg kg ਤਾਂ ਗ੍ਰਾਮ solid ਘੱਟ ਐਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, liquid ਘੱਟ ਐਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So what we have to add, we are generally added solids in liquid, our mass in always in solid. So in terms of solid dissolving in liquid, how we define ppm or ppb? First compare. Now 1 kg is equal to 1 liter, 1 gram is equal to 1 ml. Now here is the point, 1 mg is equal to 1 microliter. In gram, this is this 1 microgram is equal to 1 picoliter. So this term, remember this term. Please make a note. This one, 1 kg is equal to 1 liter, 1 gram is equal to 1 ml. In 1 kg 1000 gram, in 1 liter 1000 ml, in 1 gram 1000 mg, in 1 ml 1000 microliter. So after that we have 1 gram is equal to 10 to the power 3 mg is equal to 10 to the power 6 microgram. Now from here we can also write 1 gram की जगह पे हम लिख सकते हैं 1 ml इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power 6 माइक्रोग्राम, क्योंकि 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 ml यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं ना. Now you can understand 1 ml is equal to 10 to the power 6 microgram. So according to definition, what is 1 ppm? 1 microgram per ml, or and 1 ppb is 1 nanogram per ml. So I am taking this value 1 ppm is equal to 1 microgram per ml as a reference. Understand, always take this reference value in your mind. Remind this 1 ppm is equal to 1 microgram per ml. So now what we have, 1 ppm, if we want in 1 ppm is equal to 1000 ppb. So what is the definition? Is equal to 1 microgram per ml is equal to 1000 nanogram per ml. In 1 microgram is equal to 1000 nanogram, so is equal to 1000 ppb. If we write 1000 ppb is equal to 1000 nanogram per ml, then 1000 nanogram is equal to 1 microgram, so is equal to 1 ppm. Please also write this equation and remember. So what is next? Now you understand what is ppm and ppb. Here it can be measured. So you want to make 1000 ppm stock solution. So what we have, 1000 ppm is equal to 1 ppm is equal to 1 microgram per ml. Now 1000 ppm is equal to 1000 microgram per ml, not 1000 ml. Understand, 1000 microgram in per ml. So we also write that 1000 ppm is equal to, what is 1000 microgram is 1 mg, 1 mg per ml. So 1000 ppm is equal to 1 mg per ml. Same as for ppb, 1000 ppb is equal to 1000 nanogram. What is 1000 nanogram is microgram. 1000 ppb is equal to 1 microgram per ml. We can also say that is equal to 1 ppm. Here 1 microgram ml per is that 1 ppm. So 1000 ppb is equal to 1 ppm is equal to 1 microgram per ml. Now for making 10,000 ppm stock, weigh 1 mg analyte. So what we can do from here, 1 mg analyte whose standard we want to make in 1 ml of diluent. ठीक है. Now 1 mg is little difficult to dissolve. So what we can do, 1000 ppm is equal to 10 mg per ml. हम multiplying and dividing by 10. So here we got 10 mg per 10 ml. So we have to going to weigh 10 mg of standards dissolving in 10 ml. 10 ml diluent. What is diluent? Diluent is a solution in which your analyte dissolve easily. So what is next? Now you have 1000 ppm stock. Now make 10 ppm working solution or make standard for making standard curves. Now we are going to using equation n1 v1 is equal to n2 v2. Now first is that 1000 ppm. Now what we want to make 10 ppm solution from 1000 ppm. So we have 1000 ppm stock. ठीक है, 1000 ppm stock ਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਪਾਈਏ, v1 is equal to ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ 10 ppm ਬਣ ਜਾਵੇ 10 ml ਲਈ. So v1 is equal to 10 and 10 1000 is equal to 0.1 ml or we can say 100 microliter. So we have v is equal to 0.1 ml or 100 microliter. Now next one is assume we are making standard curve of 5 different standard, 2 ppm, 1.6 ppm, 1 ppm, 0.5, 0.25. Now we can directly make 2 ppm standard by using 2 gram per ml or 20 microgram per 20 ml. According to definition 1 ppm, 2 ppm is equal to 2 microgram per ml. But this tiny weighing is so difficult and it makes very difficult. So what we have to do, first make stocks 1000 ppm by dissolving 10 mg per 10 ml. So now we are making serial dilution and so error chances is less. First we make 50 ppm stock and then 10 ppm. Now in step 1 we are going to making 50 ppm solution from 1000 ppm. 1000 ppm ਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਪਾਈਏ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ 50 ppm ਬਣ ਜਾਵੇ 10 ml ਲਈ. ਸੋ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ 50 into 10 divided by 1000 0.5 ml means ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਪਊਗਾ 0.5 ml or 500 microliter of 1000 ppm ਦਾ in 9.5 ml of diluent for making a 50 ppm stock, same as 10 ppm. Now we are going to making 10 ppm solution from 50 ppm. 50 ppm ਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਪਾਈਏ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ 10 ppm ਬਣ ਜਾਵੇ 10 ml ਲਈ. So 2 ml. Now we are going to add 2 ml of 50 ppm stock solution in 10 ml of diluent. Now if we adding a liquid, then we going to minus this. Now 2 ml add in 8 ml. Understand? Liquid and liquid dissolve or solid in, if we are going to dissolve solid, then 2 ml and 10 ml. If you're going to dissolve liquid, then 2 ml in 8 ml. Total volume is 10 ml. Now we can easily make standards 2 ppm from 10 ppm via method N1V2. So make 2 ppm from 10 ppm, 1.6 ppm from 2. This is a serial dilution. Now for making PPV solution from ppm stock, first convert ppm to PPV. Don't be confused. For example, now you want to make a 10 ppv solution from 1 ppm stock. Okay, so we are 1 ppm ਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਪਾਏਗੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ 10 ppv ਬਣ ਜਾਵੇ 10 ml ਲਈ. ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਕਨਵਰਟ ppm to ppv. 1 ppm is equal to 1000 ppv is equal to into v1. 10 ppv 10 ppm how much 0.1 means 1 ppm ਦਾ 100 microliter volume ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ in 10 ml of diluent to making a solution 10 ppv. Thank you.